Welcome to MK Express. Master Keying the Easy Way. In this video I am going to expand the existing Blue Forestian master key system we created in the first video. We will also deal with some lost keys and record client orders. Let's open the system we saved last time. I'm going to expand the system by adding two function halls directly on the keying matrix. I'll link up the existing keys with the new locks. I'm going to add a new key to open each of the halls. With the expansion fully described, let's calculate the new cuts and pinning. As you can see, the new keys have cuts, and the pinning for the locks are done. Before passing the cuts and pinning to the workshop, let's prevent changes by taking a snapshot of the system. Notice that the snapshot only records the changes made to the system. I'm going to use a short list of changes to populate an order. The client wants 3 copies for each key, so on the Keys tab, I'm going to enter that. The stamping is optional, and can be changed to anything you want. There are 2 locks for each hall, so I need to change those quantities too. Now looking at the hardware totals, we can see that this order contains 6 keys and 4 locks with many pins. These hardware totals will also appear in the printout. That was easy. Now let's handle a lost key. First I'll mark the existing key as lost. Then add the new key. As we are going to have to change the lock for room 105, we must allow a repin. Now unselect the old key and select the new key, and hit calculate. The new cuts have been calculated along with the new pinning for the room. Added to this, the old key will no longer open anything in this system. To keep things neat, I'm going to move the lost key out of the way. Once again, before sending it off to the workshop, I'm going to create a snapshot. The snapshot contains the changes made to the system, and as a result, the work needed to be done. While we are making these up, the client also wants to cut another key to Hall 1, so I'll just add that here. But what if it is a key that opens much more? Let's lose the cook's key and see how we cope. First let's add a new key and mark the old one. We are going to have to replace all the locks that the old cook's key opened, so we need to allow these to be repin. Ensure the new key can open the same locks, and remove the old. Notice the 2 red crosses, that is telling us that the old key will still work these locks due to other keys in the system. So I need to establish which existing keys are creating this problem. Hall 1 and Hall 2 will have to be recoded to ensure the old cook's key will no longer work anything. Great! No more red crosses, so we can go ahead and calculate the system. Let's move the old stuff out of the way. Now this snapshot is going to be more interesting, with a number of new keys and locks. MK Express is designed to handle those challenging cross-keyed systems with ease. So try out the demo, which like the full version, is also available for Windows, Mac and Linux.